Do you want to get your prospects to emotionally open up more? Then sometimes you got to sound confused. Now, Jeremy, what do you mean by that? Anytime they give you an emotion word like stressed, frustrated, annoyed, concerned, tension, a way to get them to expand on that pain, to emotionally open up, is actually sounding confused, using a confused tone. Now, your tone is how the prospect interprets the intention behind that question. That's why you get tons of objections, and that's why you lose a ton of sales that you could be making.